Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is blood corpuscles. Students, blood corpuscles include in human specific system circulatory system. Previous online classes or in previous online class we studied RBC and blood platelets. Today we discuss another blood corpuscles WBC. It means white blood corpuscles. It means leukocyte. So WBC, it means white blood corpuscles. It means granules like structures. Corpuscles, it means granule like structures located in blood, and to provide white color, it means WBC is colorless blood corpuscles. It is also known leukocyte. So first of all, it is a type of blood corpuscles. Next, students, once again, it means granules like structures located in blood, and to provide white color, it means WBC is colorless corpuscles or blood corpuscles. Next is color of WBC is colorless. Color is colorless. Next is origin. Origin is, once again, color of WBC is colorless. Next is nucleus present. Shape is irregular shape. Next, movement is amoeboic movement. Next is hemoglobin absent in WBC. Other name is leukocyte. Other name is leukocyte. Origin in bone marrow part. Next is types of WBC, types of leukocyte is first is granulocytes. Next is agranulocyte. it means granule-like structures. It means granule-like structures. It means absent. Some WBC cytoplasm to have granules like structures, so it is called granulocytes. Some WBC cytoplasm did not have granules like structures. It means this structure is granulocyte, this type is agranulocyte WBC. It means granules like structure absent in cytoplasm. Next, percent in cytoplasm. Granules like structure absent in cytoplasm. So figure of agranulocyte nucleus, figure of granulocytes. Next is nucleus, granules granulase WBC. It means figure of a granulocytes. A granulocyte WBC is granulase. First of all is granulocytes. It means granules present in cytoplasm. Next is types of granulocytes is first is neutrophils. Next is eosinophils. Third is basophils. Students, mostly granulocytes is three. First is neutrophils, second is eosinophils, third is basophils. Neutrophils, it is maximum amount of WBC. Once again, it is maximum amount of WBC. Next is agranulocytes. It means absent. It means granule-like structures. Next is types of agranulocytes on the basis of granules. First, monocyte. Next is lymphocyte. It is largest WBC. It is maximum amount WBC is neutrophils. Largest WBC is monocyte. Next, monocyte on maturation and differentiated into macrophage. It means large in size. It means to phagose. Phagose is the function of monocyte, but shape related is macro. It means large in size WBC, but function is phagocytosis. Next is second maximum amount of WBC is lymphocyte. It is approximately 62% of total WBC. It is approximately 30% of total WBC. Next is types of lymphocyte. Once again, types of lymphocyte. First is B lymphocyte. Second is T lymphocyte. First is origin of B lymphocyte is in bone marrow part. It means cavity. If cavity located in bone, so bone marrow. Next, maturation of B lymphocyte in bone marrow part. Next, origin of T lymphocyte is bone marrow. Next, maturation is thymus gland. Once again, types of lymphocyte, mostly two types. First B lymphocyte, second is T lymphocyte. First is B lymphocyte, origin in bone marrow part, but maturation in bone marrow part. First letter of bone term is B, so it is called B lymphocyte. Once again, first letter of bone word or term is B. Second is first letter of bone word or term is B, so it is called B lymphocyte. But in T lymphocyte, first letter of thymus word is T, so it is called T lymphocyte. Once again, first letter of thymus word or term is T, so it is called T lymphocyte. Next is a specific point: neutrophils, monocyte and macrophage. Macrophage is a mature monocyte WBC are, once again, neutrophils, monocyte and macrophage are phagocytic WBC. It means these WBC to phagose external antigen. Next is function of WBC is first to protect germs. Second, the cell impart immunity. It means WBC to increase animals or human immunity. Next is formation of antibody. This function is related to immunity. So function of leukocyte or white blood corpuscles is to protect germs. It means pathogens. These cell impart immunity or to increase immunity. Next, formation of antibody. Students, B lymphocyte modify and forms two cells. First is plasma cell. Plasma cell to forms antibody. Next is function of blood. Functions of blood. First is controlling the body pH. It means potential of hydrogen ion. Next is transport or carry of nutrients like carbohydrate, lipid and protein, vitamins, minerals to different body parts. Transport of nutrient. Third is exchange of O2 and CO2 between the environment and the tissues. And fourth is controlling the temperature of human body. Once again, controlling the pH of human body. Next is controlling the temperature of human body. Next is executions of the immunity. It means WBC. It is a content of blood corpuscles. Blood corpuscles is a contents of blood. So WBC increase the immunity. So blood execution of immunity. Next is excretion of the waste product out of the body. So students, there are some specific or important function of blood. First is most important is exchange of O2 and CO2 between the environment and human body tissues. Controlling the pH. Next, controlling the body temperature. Next, transport of nutrient to different body parts. Next, to increase or execution of immunity. And last is excretion of waste products out of the body. So students, today's part WBC and function of blood is completed. Next day we start types of blood or blood groups. So thanks, have a nice day.